A comforting Puerto Rican classic. This sopa de fideos y pollo is slow simmered with traditional seasoning, tender chicken, and toasted noodles for deep homemade flavor. This is simple, soulful, and perfect for any day you need real comfort food, just like abuela used to make it. Let's create sopa de pollo y fideo. This is Puerto Rican soup with noodles. And when you cook this soup, this is not the same as pollo guisado, which is thicker. This is a soup, and it's very nice, very flavorful. Try to go with legs and thighs. You know, the thing with the bone, the piece of chicken with bone. And what I do here, I'm going to mix the flavor. Say about teaspoon of black pepper, some salt, garlic powder, no garlic salt, but garlic powder, and some turmeric. And I mix it up together. And I'm going to add it here. Some oregano dry. Also add it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix it up good, okay? Some extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to add some annatto seeds. I'm going to heat them up for about a minute. And what it does is bring color. If you cannot find annatto seeds, that's fine. Go with some smoked paprika, like a tablespoon. And you can add the smoked paprika later to the actual water, not now. I removed the seeds. Now I'm going to do my sofrito. If you have the sofrito prepared, that's fine, but I'm going to do real time. Onions. Going to keep it simple. Cilantro and culantro. And I'm going to caramelize this for a minute or two, okay? Garlic, several teeth, chopped. And this one you're going to move it around for a few seconds, okay? Because you don't want it burned. And what you're going to do now, you're going to introduce this chicken. You're going to mix things around. Now, if you want to, this is optional. You can put a little bit of tomato paste, okay? Just a little bit, because this is not chicken. This is not pollo guisado. This is chicken soup. Just a little bit, see? To help with the color. Just to help with the color. And I'm going to mix things around. Give it some character and flavor. If things dry a little bit, just put a little bit more oil, just a tiny bit. Just a little bit, okay? Give that chicken some character and to get the protein of the chicken to expand, break out, and the flavors do their thing. And I probably add a little bit too much, but that's fine because the water is going to fix things for us. I have some turmeric, some about teaspoon, and some coriander. I'm going to add it too to contribute with the color. And if you want to, you can add some smoked paprika. Because you were going to do that if you didn't have the annatto anyhow, okay? And people say, oh no, that's not Puerto Rican. Man, Spanish brought that stuff centuries ago. They took our peppers, took it to Spain, they dried them, and they made them into smoked powder and brought them back. In fact, when you look at the package sazon that had the eyes, if they don't have achiote, they're going to use smoked paprika. Let me move stuff around. See how the chicken is looking? All pretty. See how pretty it looks? So what I'm going to do now it comes the water, which is key because this is soup. Let's make it about 6 or 7 cups of water. And sticking with the water. I put some more of that stuff there. Medium combination above medium. And I'm going to let this baby cook for several minutes before I add a little bit of the potatoes, carrots, and the fideos or the noodles. This is simple, okay? But before you do all that, you give it a taste. And if it needs salt, now is the time to add it, okay? And I'm going to add it because I wanted to give it some flavor. Let's make it medium high for now, and then I will reduce it to medium, okay? When it starts simmering, at medium high, you reduce it a little bit to medium, okay? Or notch above medium. It's been about 20 minutes. Time to add a potato, which I cut small pieces. These are white potatoes because they can sustain stews. And I have a carrot, not a lot, you know, thin slices. I'm going to add it. And I'm going to let this baby go for about 10 minutes before I add the noodles, okay? So let it go for 12 minutes. Let's make it 12. About 10, 12 minutes later, I'm going to add some noodles. If you don't have the noodles, the thin noodles, you can add some angel hair. But I'm going with the noodles, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix it. You don't add a lot, you just add enough, okay? And I'm going to let it go for about 10 minutes, okay? 10 minutes.